Okay guys, I finally got the controller, so now I can take my I can take my evoke up, which I can't wait to try out. See what it's like, see how it compares to my DJI one. But yeah, I'll put some footage up now. Okay guys, so how did I find it compared to my DJI? It's really smooth. I can't believe actually how smooth it was. It's great. It's actually really great to fly. It's very zippy as well, very agile. It going straight up in the air. It does beat the DJI, but I'm still getting used to it. I still love my DJI one. I'm more comfortable flying the DJI one now at the minute, but we'll see. I will get some more flights in with the Nazgul very soon. The one thing that I'm actually finding quite difficult compared to the two is actually the DJI controller, the one from Nazgul. The pitch and the roll, joystick part, it's less resistant than the FPV one, my DJI. So I'm just getting used to that. There's more resistance in the DJI one than there is, they're both DJI. There's more resistance in the FPV DJI one compared to the bigger controller, and that's something that I've got to get used to. It's about 15-20% less resistance, so that's something that I've got to get used to, but it does make it more agile. I do love it, and I'm going to get some more up very soon. I'll try and set up the GPS on it as well, because that was one problem that I had with it was the inbound flight was setting up the GPS, so it wouldn't even arm. But Joshua Bardwell on YouTube, he's a great YouTuber, and he's a great drone. He knows everything. And I went through some of his guides, and yeah, he showed me how to do it. But it's just getting used to, because I'd like to use the fail-safe. That's why I've got the GPS on it, so just in case I got too far out, I can flip the switch and come back. But like I say, it's not fully set up yet, but I'm quite nervous to even test it. But yeah, it's a great drone. If you can get one, I'll literally get one, because they're sold out. Every time that I went to get one, it's sold out, and now I know why, because it's that great. But yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.